Morning children. Today I am going to explain 10th standard maths pair of linear equations in two variables. So first I want to explain what is linear equations. Definition of a linear equation. A linear equation in two variables. X is an equation that can be written in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a and b is not equal to 0. An example of a linear equation in X is 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. And a pair of linear equations in two variables can be solved by two methods. One is graphical method, another one is algebraic method. So graphical solutions of a linear equations. Let us consider the following system of two simultaneous linear equations in two variables. 2x minus y is equal to minus 1, 3x plus 2y is equal to 9. Here we assign any value to one of the two variables and then determine the value of the other variable from the given equation. For the equation 2x minus y is equal to minus 1, that is called equation number 1. 2x plus 1 is equal to y, y is equal to 2x plus 1. So a second equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 9. Equation number 2, 2y is equal to 9 minus 3x and 2y is equal to 9 minus 3x. Y is equal to 9 minus 3x by 2. Here we want to give the values of x 0, 2 and y value 1, I will get. The second equation also give 3 and minus 1, you will get 0 and 6 for the y values. And plot the graph. This is x o x dash, y o y dash. This is horizontal axis is called x axis, vertical axis is called y axis. So here you plot the points. Here you can get 0, 3, 0, 3, 2, 5, and here 0, 1 and minus 1, 6. So here two simultaneous equations or pair of linear equations are meeting at this point. So we want to draw the perpendiculars to the x-axis and y-axis. You will get the solution of the equation. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. This is the solvation of graphical method and types of solutions of system of equations. If it is one solution, the lines cross at one point here. No solution means the lines do not cross, they are parallel lines. Infinitely many solutions, the lines coincide. So like that, one upon the other, one equation line will be upon the other equation line. And to solve a pair of linear equations in two variables, algebraically, we have following methods. Substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method. So in that first method is substitution method. Steps. Obtain the two equations. Let the equations be a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. That is called equation number 1. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. It is equation number 2. Choose either of the two equations, say 1, and find the value of one variable, say y in terms of x. Substitute the value of y obtained in the previous step in equation 2 to get an equation in x. And solve the equation obtained in the previous step to get the value of x. Substitute the value of x and get the value of y. Let us take an example. X plus 2y is equal to minus 1, equation number 1. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12, equation number 2. And x plus 2y is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 2y minus 1, equation number 3. Substituting the value of x in equation 2, we get 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. 2 into minus 2y minus 1 is equal to minus 3y is equal to 12. Minus 4y minus 2 minus 3y is equal to 12. Minus 7y is equal to 15. Y is equal to minus 2. Putting the value of y in equation number 3, we get x is equal to minus 2y minus 1, x is equal to minus 2 into minus 2 minus 1. So 4 minus into minus plus 2 plus 4 minus 1, that is 3. Hence the solution of the equation is 3, minus 2. Next method is elimination method. In this method, we eliminate one of the two variables to obtain an equation in one variable which can easily be solved. putting the value of this variable in any of the given equations, the value of the other variable can be obtained. For example, we want to solve 3x plus 2y is equal to 11, 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. So let 3x plus 2y is equal to 11, equation number 1. 2x plus 3y is equal to 4, equation number 2. Multiply 3 in equation 1 and 2 in equation 2. And substituting equation 4 from 3, we get 9x plus 6y is equal to 33, equation number 3. 4x plus 6y is equal to 8, equation number 4. So 5x is equal to 25, x is equal to 5. Putting the value of x in equation number 2, we get 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. 2 into 5 plus 3y is equal to 4. 10 plus 3y is equal to 4. 3y is equal to 4 minus 10. 3y is equal to minus 6. Y is equal to minus 2. Hence x is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 2. So a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. To solve this pair of equations for x and y using cross multiplication method, we will arrange the variables and other coefficients a1, a2 and b1, b2 and the constants c1, c2. So cross multiplication method. So x, y, y and 1, this is the constant, b1, c2 minus b2, c1, y divided by c1, a2 minus c2, a1, 1 by a1, b2 minus a2, b1. So want to find out the value of x, b1, c2 minus b2, c1 divided by a1, b2 minus a2, b1 and y value c1, a2 minus c2, a1 divided by a1, b2 minus a2, b1. This is the formula to find out the solution of x and y by cross multiplication method. So you have to give one example for this and then you can solve it. Then you will understand easily. So thank you, children.